finance teams play a crucial role in guiding a company's growth and success. Financial processes span the company and support business strategy, keep organizational health in check, and ensure compliance with financial regulations. At the same time, many finance tasks can be mundane, repetitive, and manually intensive. Microsoft 365 Copilot supports finance teams by surfacing insights required for strategic decision-making, and it reduces time spent on simple tasks. Copilot connects with their work data and is available in the productivity tools that finance teams use every day, generating insights and actions in real time. For example, Copilot helps with analysis in Excel, especially with uncovering new functions and capabilities. It also supports common tasks like meetings, gathering requirements, and creating reports. And you can take Copilot even further with the Microsoft 365 Copilot Finance Agent and custom agents built in Microsoft Copilot Studio, providing additional functionality to streamline business processes. Copilot has the potential to transform critical finance processes such as planning, analysis, risk management, and procurement. Streamlining these processes can deliver measurable improvements to key performance indicators that most finance organizations are already tracking. First, Copilot can help finance teams reduce days sales outstanding by improving processes such as billing and collections, enhancing communications with customers, and assisting with the analysis of payment options. Next, finance teams can get the benefits of AI by extending Copilot into ERP and other line-of-business systems to provide easy access to data without performing expensive updates. Finally, Copilot can help finance teams automate repetitive, labor-intensive tasks to free up valuable time and reduce outsourcing spend. Within Microsoft, the finance organization has been using Microsoft 365 Copilot, the finance agent, and custom agents to enhance many business processes. Some key improvements have been a 50% reduction in contract review time and a 75% time savings on compliance reporting. In fact, analysts have reduced data reconciliation by an average of 20 minutes per account. Copilot is helping to strengthen the finance team's role as a key strategic partner to Microsoft's business units and improve insights and decision-making. At Microsoft, we're putting Copilot to the test every day to deliver value to our finance team and make jobs more fun. I'm excited to have Shali Lan here to share her experience and some of the value Copilot can offer finance teams. She is a Senior Data Solutions Manager on the finance team. Hi, Shali. Thank you for being here.
Hi, Cynthia. Thanks for having me.
Can you start by telling us a little bit more about your role here on Microsoft's finance team?
Sure. My job on the finance, audit, risk, and compliance team involves building analytic solutions, developing data strategies, and providing decision-making insights to support audit and other compliance activities.
Amazing. It sounds like you always have a million things going on. Can you tell me a little bit about how you and your colleagues in finance have been using Copilot?
Sure. One of my favorite ways to use Copilot is to get help writing DAX code in Power BI. Power BI is so important for us analyzing and presenting information to the teams we support, and I'm always trying to get more efficient at using it. As you can see here, I can just enter a simple prompt like show me which store has the highest sales. And then it will write the DAX code for me. Then I can run it and see the results. This is just a simple example, but Copilot can create code for more complex queries. It really reduced the learning curve for getting the most value out of Power BI.
Nice. I bet that saves a lot of time, and it probably enables some valuable insights too.
Yes, creating new dashboard is so quick now. But it's not just about saving time. We strive to help our business partner make better decisions by providing clear insights. Using Copilot in Power BI really helps with that. Now everyone can get creative with their reporting and not be held back by lack of technical know-how. And speaking of creativity, Copilot is great at helping brainstorm new ideas in whiteboard. Here, I've entered a prompt to suggest ways the audit team can use Copilot. It generates an extensive list. Once we have all of our ideas captured, Copilot can organize them into categories.
Kicking off a brainstorming session is such a great use case. You can get past that initial phase where people don't really know what to say. What are some other ways that you're using Copilot?
We're excited about using the Microsoft 365 Copilot Finance Agent as well. It's the next step in our journey, where we can use the Copilot built precisely for the work we do daily, like data reconciliations and the variance analysis. For data reconciliation, I just select the data source I want to compare. It automatically aligns the data categories, but I can edit them if I need to. Then it creates the reconciliation report with details of the discrepancies. I can copy the summary right into the report. And finally, it will help investigate each transaction.
I can only imagine how much easier that'll make your life. Saving time, creating all the index match statements, and then having Copilot create the report for you. How much time do you think you personally save each day using Copilot?
My job is different every day, but no matter what I'm doing, I've found ways to use Copilot to help, whether it's writing reports, finding information, or doing things like the Power BI analysis I demoed. I would say I save 30 to 40 minutes on an average day. But there are times where I can save hours with just one prompt. Like if I'm writing a macro in Excel and I don't know how to do what I want, instead of going to research, I just ask Copilot and it writes great code for me. Things like that can save hours.
That's incredible. I know for me, I just finished business school, and having Copilot for the past year has been so helpful, helping me to get some of that time back to complete all those Excel case analysis. What about you? What do you do with the extra time you get back?
With Copilot helping me save time on repetitive work, I can focus more on analysis to help provide the information our decision makers are looking for.
With that time that you spend on additional projects then, what are some of the biggest impacts that you see for your team and for Microsoft as a whole?
Copilot has been a game changer in terms of productivity and the efficiency for finance at Microsoft. It has enabled us to complete tasks much faster and with greater accuracy, such as summarizing meetings and quick data insights.
Awesome. And is there any advice that you would give to a finance person that is new to Copilot, or maybe a Copilot champion looking to drive adoption in finance?
Yes, 3 things I would say. First, get familiar with Copilot. Second, use it. Try to integrate Copilot into daily workflow, such as data analysis, drafting mails, and the report generations. And the third, share it. Help others on your team to get started with Copilot. What helped me and my team were regular learning sessions.
That's great advice. We saw that the finance team at Microsoft has experienced a 50% reduction in contract review time and a 75% time savings on compliance reporting. In fact, analysts have reduced data reconciliation an average of 20 minutes per account. So Shali, what advice can you give finance teams looking to reimagine their processes?
Sure, I have a few things that can help. First, focus on efficiency and then cost optimizations. Implementing AI tools like Microsoft 365 Copilot can greatly reduce manual tasks. As you mentioned, using Copilot for data reconciliations saved an average of 20 minutes per account, leading to a 22% reductions in handling cost. Automating this repetitive task enables finance team to focus on strategic activities. Second, take advantage of opportunities for automation. We use AI to enhance processes like data collections, contract management, and invoice capture. Improving this process not only speeds up financial insights, but also ensure data accuracy and consistency. Third, promote continuous learning and sharing. We have Copilot champions within each finance team that we can work with to get the most out of Copilot. The champions encourage everyone to integrate Copilot into their workflows. Regular learning sessions and sharing best practices can help maximize the benefit of Copilot.
That's such great advice. Shali, thank you so much for sharing your Copilot experience with us.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me.
For everyone watching, hopefully you've gotten some inspiration to leverage Copilot to drive revenue growth, optimize costs, and help your finance team thrive. To learn more about how Copilot is transforming business processes, reach out to your Microsoft team. Thank you for joining us.